Hi, if you're having problems with your Magic Remote on your LG TV, then you can try one of two things. So first thing to do, which is by far the easiest, is just take out the batteries and put them back in again. And you might find that that will solve the problems. Take them both out, put them back in, and see if your Magic Remote starts working again. If it doesn't, what you can do is you can hold down the home button and the back button here. Hold them down for about 3 or 4 seconds and it will unregister the remote, and then we can re-register it. So watch this, holding them both down now, and you will see it will come up in the top right hand corner. There you go. Remote registration is disconnected. Please press the OK wheel button to register. So right now I'm going to just click in on this button here in the middle. And let's see, it might not register first time, you might have to do it a few times. Well, I can already see it's working here now. So there you go, Magic Remote has been successfully registered. So if you're having problems with it registering, bring it closer to the TV or change the batteries. Your batteries might be getting weak. And hopefully then, if you do the things you've seen in this video, you'll get your Magic Remote working again. Thanks for watching.